Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today's manicure is a pizza manicure to celebrate National Pizza Day. I use my newborn pretty stamping plate. Let's take off the protective film. Here's a close-up of all the beautiful images. The beautiful silver metallic polish I'm wearing is from Shy and it's called Slate. Because the base polish I'm wearing is so dark, I decided to stamp the hearts in white first and then in red. To stamp the pizza, I use my Beauty Big Bang stamping polish. It's number 4. And here's the cute little pizza. Since it doesn't show up enough, I decided to make a decal. I picked up the image and then filled it in with nail polish. While I'm waiting for it to dry, I use my gold Beauty Big Bang stamping polish to stamp the same image on the rest of my nails. Once the decal is dry, I stamp it directly onto my nail. All that's left is to stamp the red little hearts. To decorate the rest of the nails, I stamp a couple of different images. I applied the top coat and then realized I hadn't stamped a cute image on that nail yet, so I went ahead and stamped these cute little lips with gold and red. And since the gold looks so cute, I decided to stamp the little bit of gold over the other 2 images. And the manicure is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!